3, 2, 1, go.
And it looks like we're off. 34-58. Stopping at the airship, but it looks like 50-66 is going to get their gear up into their airship, but a Red Alliance has theirs up too with 64-28 getting their gear up, stemming ears. Looks like we're going to have one rotor on each Alliance airship spinning and autonomous. 34-58 not getting their autonomous gear, but they're going to turn and they're going to get their gear up onto the airship, giving them two rotors spinning on this side. Can Red Alliance do the same? And it looks like they've got a gear up and they're going to put that onto the peg and they're going to get that second rotor spinning as well. We've got 4 rotors spinning on this field right now. 34-58 coming down the field. They're going to come place a gear. 50-66 already placing a gear. They're going to go for that third rotor spinning in this match. 100 seconds left in this match and it's still equal. It's anybody's game right now. 50-66 heading back down the field. 66-38 is going to play a little bit of defense in the middle here against 43-37. They're going to stall him for a little bit. Looks like 34-58 is going to get a gear up as well. And it looks like they only need 2 more to get that third rotor spinning with 80 seconds left on this clock. Blue Alliance is pulling ahead. 50-66 lining up for a gear. And it looks like they're going to line that up. 56-38, waiting for these 2 Red Alliance robots down here getting gears. They're preemptively waiting for some defense over here. But it looks a little congested down here with a couple of gears laying on the ground. It looks like these gears aren't getting into these robots. 43-37 lining up, and it looks like they're going to slide one on and they're going to start trying to head down the field. 43-37 heading, but 66-38 was ready to play some defense. They're going to hold them in the middle of the field and they're not going to let them get that gear. 34-58 heading back down the field. They're going to put another gear up and it looks like we've got 3 rotors spinning down here and we've only got 2 down here, but they're only 2 gears off because they just pulled one up into their Alliance. But 30 seconds left on the clock and the ropes are coming down. 50-66 lining up with their rope and it looks like they are going to snag that rope and they're going to climb along with 66-38. They're going to start their ascension up the rope as well. 64-28, they're going to line up with their rope. 12 seconds left. 66-38, they're missing their rope by just a little bit. Can they fix it and can they get back up? They're going to drop down because they know they've got time and they're going to climb back up that rope. 64-28 trying to line up and that's going to be the game, everybody. And it looks like our final score is ready, so everybody let's look at that board. And it looks like it's going to be the Blue Alliance that steals this match away with a new high score of 405 points to 160. All right, Bill, let's hear those teams.
All right, down here on the Red Alliance, 52-56.
Looks like we've got the Atomic Vikings coming from Lake Odessa.
And their partners in the middle, 65-34.
That would be the St. Scholars from Grand Rapids.
And lining up down here, ready to take off, is 27-67.
Coming from Kalamazoo, it is Strike Force.
And down in the corner, down here in blue, 48-55.
That would be Ramageddon from South Haven.
And the guys with really cool hats, 12-43.
Coming from Swartz Creek, it's Dragons.
And 288.
Coming from Granville, it's the Robo Dogs.